Hey Tony, what we got in the works over here?
So today we got to do 2 exterior detailed foam washes on 2 Supras.
And it's only exterior?
Yeah, only outside only.
Tony, I thought you didn't do those though, man.
For good clients and locals, yeah, we especially if it's 2 or more, it makes it worth their time.
All right, man. Let's go do it.
All right.
Hey Tony, how fast are you trying to knock out these cars?
Like an hour to an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Yeah. All right, good luck. I'm praying for you, Tony. Hey Tony, how come you're going like super fast, bro?
Just it's getting cold, so it's gonna take a while to dry. So I want to focus my time on getting all the leaks out of the crevices, all the water drip.
Got it.
When it's starting to get dark,
yeah.
It's already like 3:30. It gets dark in about an hour.
And you think it's gonna be super hard for them to dry?
Not super hard, but it's just gonna be a little bit longer. It's gonna take a little longer. Plus, they have no protection on the paint.
What does that mean though?
It means that the water sticks to the paint.
Oh.
So it makes it harder to dry it.
Now you said you only do this for good customers. How long have you had this customer?
Probably only like a year.
Okay. But he always gets, he has a business, a body shop business?
No, he's a builder. He's a super builder.
Oh.
Yeah. He's like specializes in building Supras.
How often does he hit you up?
At least once a month. Whenever he's really busy, then like almost every week.
Okay, so he brings you consistent work.
Yeah.
That's good, and that's why you hook him up.
Yeah.
Tony, but those prices, bro. What is it? $40 a car?
Yeah.
But you're hooking him up, you know, because these are a reliable customer, and they're, I'm assuming, easy jobs.
Yeah, they're not too bad.
All right, Tony, I would let you know. These are rush details, express. You don't put in the extra work, right?
It depends. Like we still give a like quality, nice finish, but we don't do anything on the inside.
Got it.
Yeah.
So you just focus on the exterior, that's it.
Yeah.
Got it. Hey Tony, what's the next thing you gotta do, man?
So now that I'm done washing them, I gotta roll up the hose reel, pack a few things up. That way it's not all in the way and doesn't look all messy. Then after that, I gotta dry both of them, wipe down the wheels, tire dressing, clean the windows, wipe down the door jambs, blow out all the crevices, get as much water out, and then we're gonna do spray wax, and that's about it.
We actually fit in this customer, right? Last minute?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we had a cancellation, and I felt like working today.
Yeah?
Yeah, I felt like working, even though it's cold. Plus, he's a good client, so I had to take care of him.
But here's the thing. You actually tried to reschedule for another day, but he's like, no, I need these done ASAP, right? Or what was the conversation?
The white one has to leave tomorrow, and this one probably has to leave like Saturday, I think. And I was busy on tomorrow, so I couldn't fit him in. So I just decided to do it today since Sunday's not gonna work, because the cars won't be here.
Do you always try squeezing in people only when you can, or depends on the customer and the job?
It depends on the customer and the job.
Yeah.
And like how I'm feeling too.
What? Well,
Like if I'm all tired already,
yeah.
I'm just not gonna have or not gonna want to book you in.
Got it.
Sometimes I'd be too tired. I'm like, oh man.
When was the last time you had to turn down a customer? Do you remember? Oh, nah.
Today.
Who?
I have like 3 people that texted me today that they wanted their cars done today.
No.
And I can't fit you guys in. It's already too late.
Tony, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, bro.
It's too late. It's too dark.
Yeah, huh?
It's gonna get too dark. Once we're done with these, it's already gonna be dark.
4:30. Hey,
and
man.
then they're also new clients that have never booked before, so I don't know how bad the car's gonna be. I don't even know where they live. So there's like a lot of variables that I need to find out first. And I'll just book them in for next week or something. Do you guys take last minute details? If so, what are the requirements? Let me know down in the description or in the comments below.
You're done. You charge 40 per car, but it took us an hour and a half, pretty much.
Yeah.
And how much is your regular standard detail?
Our mini detail?
Yeah.
It is $80 starting, and it usually takes us about an hour and a half for cars.
So
Similar.
pretty much the same.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Well, there you guys have it. We finished both of these cars outside only in an hour and a half. If you like this type of video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.